This is part 8, Int'l Conferences 41 in progress here. I got so upset watching ABC News reporting about a 6-year-old boy who was a passenger in the car being driven by his mom while they're on the way to his kindergarten class school yesterday morning, May 20th, 2021, somewhere in Los Angeles. There's a couple of photos I pulled from the internet of the boy killed in evidently a road rage incident. That I just walked over to my drawing table, pulled Int'l Conferences 41 out of the sleeve it's in when I'm not working on it, and I had planned to have 5 allegorical sea monsters. 1, 2, 3, 4 was in progress yesterday, which is the inking. There's the 5th here. I ended up, as a response to this horrible news, which I could barely fathom, I drew an outline of a 6th allegorical sea monster, then a 7th, then an 8th, then a 9th, and then a 10th. Well, it's going to be a way for me to process the angst and anguish and frustration over American legislators, mainly Republican, a few Democrats here and there who embrace and support gun rights, and the endless carnage and slaughter of America's babies, toddlers, children, teens, adults of all ages, and what is a genocide? Like at least 1.5 million Americans slain from guns since 1968, the year I graduated high school, which was the same year, 1968, when Bobby Kennedy and Martin Luther King were both assassinated. Thank you, budgies, for adding a little bit of cheer to this grim news. Okay, to be continued as the inking progresses. I hope they find these suspects and prosecute them for murder and send them away to prison for a long, long, long time.